A mom was carrying her sick daughter on her back, rushing to the hospital. When they finally got there, she tried to let her daughter down, not realizing the girl had already passed out. The daughter fell right to the ground. A security guard nearby saw what happened, immediately ran over, scooped up the girl in his arms, and sprinted toward the emergency room. An elderly lady in a wheelchair got stuck in a puddle of water. Her wheels trapped in the water and she couldn't move. People walking by and cars passing just ignored her, coldly going on their way. Just then, a black car pulled over. There was this guy with mobility issues who couldn't get onto the bus. The bus driver spotted him, didn't think twice, and rushed over to literally pick him up and carry him onto the bus.